Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to see what causes the WordPress to show to post on a different post, yet you're intending to post on a different post. So for instance, I'm gonna go to Google and search one of the posts I want to comment on. So google.com. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and also comment if you have some comments. What you do, you're gonna go and say search for top 10. I'm looking for top 10 richest players in SA. You click there, so you can see this is the first website I get, so I want to comment on this website. Click okay. After that, you're gonna scroll down. So when you're here, you can see these are comments from Facebook, so they don't have any issue, they are fine. If you comment using Facebook, you can't find, you would not get any stress. But if you do comment using your email, like here, I want to put in some email. It's gonna be, yeah, that's the email I want to use for now. So delete the space after that and the space before, and then my name Humphrey, and you go to, you can put any website you want, just code .co.za, and let's see, we're gonna comment here. Remember, when you're commenting, you should comment at least, you should type maybe 10 to 15 words. I'm gonna say they are many players at Kaiser Chiefs who earns the same amount of money, and those who earns less than expected, they do not disclose their salaries. Okay, salary. Okay, after that, I think this is enough for us. Look at the header or the heading of the post. Look at the post, says top 10 richest players in South Africa. So yeah, top 20, okay, in PSL. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna scroll down. After scrolling down, we can now post. Look what's gonna happen when you click post. See, immediately the post change. When you post, you can see now on a different post. That simply means we commented on a different post. So this is so amazing. So that post is gonna come after it's being approved by the mod. I'm gonna go and approve that post so that it can come on this post. So you can see this is a different post and posted on, commented on a different post. So let's go here. It's going to be slow. Let's see. Google boy. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I want to log in to this. See, it's going to be WP. So when you get this, so you can sign in. Okay, we've signed in, so we're gonna look into the comments. We have one comment which we have to approve, and yeah, we got this. Okay, you can see now what I was talking about. So this post goes to a wrong URL. So if I approve this, it's not going to give any meaning to the people are gonna be reading this. So let me try to refresh here. Take out these adverts. Let's see if I can see. Don't seem to see the post. Maybe I should go to the Gmail, to the email. Then I see if I see something there. Should refresh here and go to updates. I don't see that. I thought it's gonna give me some message here. Maybe there are a lot of things here I should delete in the inbox so that I can receive that. Student application testing. Okay, it was 20 May. Okay. Leave that. Okay, let me delete that, all these emails, and delete another email here. Delete some of the junk emails we don't need. Go to spam and delete some emails so that we get new emails in. So we don't have anything in spam, but we have some in promotion. I'm gonna see the links out to check out Fusion Google account and competitive privacy checker. Okay, all these we're going to delete them, and we say we emptied that, and we go to the bin. We click there and we delete everything here. Competitive privacy. Okay, see what it's gonna say. Delete forever. So okay, we're done with that. Now let's see if we can receive any email here. We haven't received nothing, but what I'm trying to do is I want to see if we can get that comment. It should be down here. I can't even get that comment. You see, so let me try to log out here. It's fine. Then I go back here. I'm gonna go to Steve. You can search for that. Let's try to see. Okay. This is what we want. Let's click there. Scroll down. Wait for the page to download. So it has downloaded. And 14 comments. The Facebook comments don't have a prompt, so I think the plugin is working so well. But you can see if we comment on this post, it takes us to another post. That's where the prompt comes from. Save my email. Post. Okay. Next post. Okay, difference between. Okay. Let me see if the post was approved. Let me see. That post was approved, because I don't see it. I don't wonder why. Yes, it was approved, but it doesn't even appear. So go to the comments. You see, this is the comment which was approved. So it went to this, but we commented on a different post. 2. I'm just trying to check this. Okay. Okay guys, you can see that we have a problem whereby if you comment, you can see even it gives a different comment. Even this, I commented on different comment, then I get the program just changes you to put you on a different comment. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna go to another one and I comment and show you in the. By the time you try to comment, that's when it changes. So look at this heading carefully. It says Ernest. It says Ernest. Ernest is what? Let me see. This just scrolls down all the time. Let me cancel this advert. So we click on Ernest, then we comment on Ernest. By the time we comment, that's when the URL is gonna change. So I wonder what causes that. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Whoever know something about that and how to fix the error, please comment in the comment box below. I just wanted to make people know from the WordPress community that there's an issue we're facing here. So I'm gonna comment here anyway. No stress. I'm gonna comment and say this is not good. Okay, see, this is not good. This is, guys, I want you to watch carefully. This is the URL we have here. You can see. So if I try to post a comment, it takes me here. You can see, and I'm not supposed to be here. So let me refresh. Let's see if that is approved. can't see the comments, but that's not the issue. The issue is that how come when we comment on a different post, the posts go on a different post? So if you go back in our WordPress, you're gonna see that that post, the one we commented on Ernest, it's gonna show us something different. Let's go back inside and see. Okay, this is the comment. If you see, you can see. So that's not good. You can see it shows different instead of showing us on Ernest's post. So guys, if you have the same issue, or if you have solved this issue, please at least comment with a video you know which solves this problem, because this is something which caught me by surprise. But if I'm gonna also do my investigations, if I see the error and what causes this, I'm gonna make sure that I come back to you guys with the answer. So but I wanted to know that if you're facing the same problem, you're not the only person alone. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, and also you can comment in the comment box below. See you in the next video.